Do you want to know the secret of making money from the internet? Imagine earning extra income while sitting at home, using only your computer or even your phone. Thousands of people are already doing it every day. And guess what? You can do it too. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, English XPR. I'm here to help you learn English in just 5 minutes a day. So let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money online. The internet is full of opportunities, and you don't need a lot of money to begin. All you need is time, consistency, and the willingness to learn. I will share with you 5 practical and easy ways to start earning online. Let's go step by step. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. A freelancer is someone who works independently for different clients. For example, if you can write, design, translate, or edit videos, you can offer these services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. The best part? You can choose your own projects and set your own price. At first, it may take time to find clients, but with patience and good work, you can build a strong reputation. 2. Online teaching or tutoring. If you are good at a subject like English, math, or science, you can teach online. Many students around the world are looking for teachers to help them learn. Platforms such as Preply, italki, or Cambly allow you to teach languages or other subjects. Even if you are not an expert, you can still tutor beginners. This way, you share knowledge and earn money at the same time. 3. Selling products online. Another great way to earn money is by selling products online. You can sell handmade crafts, clothes, shoes, or even digital products like ebooks. Websites like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon make it possible to reach thousands of people worldwide. If you don't have your own product, you can try dropshipping. Dropshipping means you sell items from suppliers without keeping stock at home. It's a low-risk business model that many people use to start their online journey. 4. Content creation. Do you like making videos, writing blogs, or creating podcasts? If yes, then content creation can be your way to make money online. For example, if you create videos on YouTube, you can earn money from ads, sponsorships, and viewers. Blogging is also a good option. If you write about things people search for, you can make money through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product, and if someone buys it through your link, you get a commission. 5. Remote work and online jobs. Many companies today hire people to work online. This is called remote work. Jobs like customer support, virtual assistants, data entry, and social media management can all be done from home. Websites like Indeed, Remote.co, or We Work Remotely list thousands of online jobs. The good thing about remote work is that you can have a stable income and even work for international companies without leaving your country. So these are 5 simple ways to make money online. Freelancing, online teaching, selling products, content creation, remote work. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. You need to be patient, practice your skills, and keep improving. The more consistent you are, the faster you will see results. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, you can check out more similar videos on my channel. See you later. Goodbye.